Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we are going to check out best affordable backpack you must buy. We made this video by quality, price, and durability of the product. If you want to know more and buy one, please check the Amazon link on video description. Okay, let's start the video. Introducing the Slick Cobra Squeeze Laptop Backpack. The backpack is packed with storage capacity. With a premium interior, soft laptop compartment, it has more pockets than you can shake a stick at. Even though this bag is crafted from durable water-repelling bionic fabric, and is loaded with features, its contoured design, and sleek lines not to cramp your style, or weigh you down. Small on the outside, with a surprising amount of interior storage, this backpack is ideal to protect your MacBook, iPad and accessories on your daily commute through town. Made from 47% recycled PET, and 53% cotton, the bag's exterior is likely one of the greatest features of this bag, certainly one we are very proud of. Weatherproof and rugged yet smooth, this fabric pulls off an old-school look and feel. Utilizing some of the most refined sustainable manufacturing processes around. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more, and buy one, check the Amazon link on video description. I think you like the video. If you have any query, write it on comments section. Please like the video, and subscribe our channel, for watching more videos.